Hello there! Today in front of me I have Realme GT Neo 3 smartphone, and in today's video I will demonstrate how you can set the screen timeout value to never on this device. So if we'll go to the settings, display and brightness category, and open the auto screen off option, we'll see that the maximum value that we can set by the default means of the smartphone is 30 minutes. So in order for us to be able to actually set it to never, we will use the free Google Play Store app that is called Caffeine. So let's open up the Play Store, type in Caffeine at the search bar. That is exactly the app that we are looking for. Let's go ahead and install it as well. Now I can just open it, and all that it's left to do is to make sure that the timeout section has the infinite value set, and that will mean basically that as long as the Caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not go to sleep, the display of your device will not turn off automatically, no matter for how much time it will be in idle status. Alright, so that was pretty much it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.